How to make a business account in Pinterest. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your app and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Click on Account Management. You'll see the option of Convert to a business account, so you can grow your business or brand with tools such as ads and analytics. Your content, profile, and followers will stay the same. So click on this option to convert to a business account, and then click on Convert Account. You can add your profile name by clicking on here, and then adding your profile name. Once you've added your profile name, click on Next at the bottom. Next, if you have your website, add your website address and it will appear on your profile. If you don't have a website yet, click on No Website Yet. Describe your business, and you can get customized recommendation tailored to your business goals. And then click on Next at the bottom. Choose if you would ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest, and then click on Next. Now you can create pins to tell your brand story using images, videos, products, or links. You can grow your audience. You can build a profile, so you can choose how you would like to start by creating a pin or exploring your profile. So as you can see, the business account is created, and you can make the changes that you want. So this is how to make a business account in Pinterest. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.